Hello everyone, welcome to Computer Science and IT Gate Coaching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the instant notification of my free lecture. So this is about me. I am a computer science gate faculty having more than 5 plus of teaching experience, mentored more than 50,000 students, taught in different coaching institute all over India. Okay, it's like the Gate Academy, even qualified multiple times Gate, and even I have given the coaching in many government colleges as well as in many private colleges. Like in SRM Chennai, I have given coaching. CAT Bhubaneswar, I have given. BC Bhagalpur, Jorhat College of Engineering, Guwahati University, Dibrugarh University, Government College of Engineering and Technology, Jammu, Ramgarh Engineering College. Okay, these are the colleges where I have went and I have given the coaching. Now tell me whether it is a regular language or not. Tell me whether it is a regular or not. Tell me whether it is a regular or not. Give me the explanation also. See here, they are saying that length of W1, it is regular language. It is regular language. Now see how it is regular. It is a very good question. It is saying that length of W1 should be equal to length of W2. It is not saying that exactly whatever W1 is having it should be. It's saying that length of W1 should be equal to length of W2. So how we can do? What we will do, if length of W1 can be either even or odd, can be either even number, or W2 can be either odd number. So if it is even number and if it is a correct input from this grammar, then W2 is also going to be even number, and in this case W2 is going to be odd number. So if you will take even plus even is going to give you even plus even is going to give you even, odd plus odd is going to give you even. So it is set of all string containing even length string. A set of all string containing even length string. Let me take one example, like epsilon. Here W1 is epsilon, W2 is epsilon. Okay, length is equal 0 0. Now, so you are writing epsilon as epsilon dot epsilon. W1 is this, W2 is this. Resultant you are going to get that only. Now I will take AB, even length only. The WR you have taken this, W2 you have taken this. BA, W1 this, W2 this. AA, BA, W1 this, W2 this. Because whenever, and if you take ABA, then BAB, W1 this, W2 this. So whenever you take any string, if length of W1 is equal to length of W2, it is always going to be equal length. It is always going to be equal length. Then it is going to be a your even length. Am I clear? कैसे even हो रहा है समझ में आ रहा है क्या? तो explanation आप लिख लीजिए. Please write and try to write it fast. Here we don't have to match. Here we don't have to match the exact string. Here we don't have to match the exact string. We have to match. We have to match the length only. If both the सोशल मीडिया से आप हमें कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं, ठीक है. If both the string has same length, then will be, if both the string has same length, then will be of even length, or both will be of odd length. Total length of W1 plus W2 will be even. Total length W1 plus W2 will be even if length will not be same, then it will be odd length. Then it will be odd length. Is odd length, okay? Hence, make a machine which will accept set of all strings of even length, set of all string of even okay, which will accept set of all string of even length. If it is done, then please let me know.